Song number 18, my F sharp. In class, we learned how to play the note F sharp, which utilizes our first index finger on the E string. The E string is this string, the thinnest string, and the highest string on the violin. So in class, I also placed a green tape on the fingerboard, and I know many of you have additional tapes along the fingerboard. The F sharp is right here on the E string. It is going to be placed on the tape that is closest to the violin scroll. So when you are in playing position, it's the tape furthest away from your face. Again, it's the tape closest to your violin scroll. This first one right here. So let's get into playing position. And as we start to place our fingers on the fingerboard, it's very important that your thumb is placed in the accurate place. And that is also the first tape, this green tape right here. Thumb is placed right here, pointing toward the ceiling, and make sure that you have a space underneath the thumb. Your fingers are just hovering over the fingerboard, and I'm going to use my first index finger to put it on this tape, right on top of it, on the E string. So that's what an F sharp sounds like. So let's begin this piece, my F sharp. I'm looking ahead, and I see that the first two bars are half notes. So I need to save my bow and make sure I count 2 beats per half note, which means, again, save my bow, 1, 2, 1, 2. I get my bow hold ready. My bow is on the E string at the frog. Place my first finger on the green tape, first green tape, and my thumb is in the right place. So here we go, after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. E. Lift your first finger. F sharp. Rest. Rest. Open E. Lift your first finger. Rest. Rest. Let's try that again. So when you have the E, open E on the music, make sure you lift your first finger off the tape, off the string, just like this, lift it gently, and then play the open E string. And to prepare the F sharp again, place the finger on the tape. So make sure your fingers are, again, hovering close to the fingerboard so that you don't have to exert too much energy in placing the fingers. You just want to be right on top of it so you have your finger prepared and ready. Let's do this piece one more time with our proper violin hold. Here we go. Let's place the thumb right across, right here. Right here. Make sure you're not covering the G string. This is incorrect. You want it just like this. It's not touching the strings. The thumb does not touch the strings. Make sure you have a hole and your finger is ready on the F sharp. My bow is ready at the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp. Rest. Rest. Open E. Rest. Rest. Make sure you're still for a few seconds. And then you place your violin down.